So here we have example number 2, and in this example you can see that I have different product. I have a vanilla, strawberry, chocolate and buttered pecan. So these are the varieties of ice cream, and I have January, February, different months, and I have their sales, right? So in January 550 pieces of vanilla ice cream were sold, and similarly we have for different variety of ice creams. Now here is something that I want. So I have a product called chocolate, and it's given that I need to find the product sales in June, right? So how am I going to do this? So what information I have? Suppose in this data, this is a very big data, so just suppose it, right? And in that it is given product chocolate, month June, and I have to find the product sales, right? So in this example we will use how we can use match function with index function. So suppose I want to find the row number of the product. How I am going to find the row number? I said if you want to find out the row number, column number, instead of the values we use match function. So I'm going to use match function, and now inside match, again, what value you need to search for? So because I'm searching for the row, and in row we can see we have, yes, we have the month, right? So I'm going to select June, right? I'm going to select comma, and in which I'm looking here, right? And comma, it's 0, and I'm going to press enter. You can see row, okay, I did wrong actually. These are the columns, right? A very common misexample. So instead of B8 I should have selected this, and now if I press enter, let me see what's going to happen. It's there in, okay, fine. So I have to change the range as well because it has to be a row or a column. So fine, if I'm going to find a row, I have to select column. So I'm selecting this, and now if I press enter I'll get 3, which is right. Similarly, if I want to have column, what I have to do, I have to use match, right? Because I have to find the column, I'm going to select a row. So this is something that I need to find, and this is the range in which I have to need to find it, and comma 0. If I press enter I got 6. Now product sales. Now how I'm going to find the product sales, right? Product sales, it means what I'm going to do is, I know here is chocolate, here is June, so what's the answer going to be? 710. If I know, right, I know it manually, so I will use index function. So you can use index function like index, and now if you forgot index function, what's the index function is? Array, then row number, column number, right? So my array is nothing but this whole data set, comma, now is row, now I know row is this, and now column is this, and now I press enter, so you'll get I got 710. Now instead of writing row number and column number like this, I could have also done this, right? Index, and now I know that I want to find the product sales, and I need to select the array. So this is the array I have, comma. Now suppose I don't know the row number, right? So I can use into this function match, and now I can do the same thing. Now I know in the match function I have to look for the row. So if I'm looking for the row, I have to pass this because I'm searching for this, comma, in this range I want to find it, and comma 0, and this done. So this is nothing but row number, comma. Now I can use again same thing for finding out the, yes, now instead of A8 I want to search for this value, where I want to search this value here, and again 0. I'm going to close it, and now you'll see I got 710. So this is how we can use it. Now in this question we didn't know anything, we just knew chocolate, we just knew month, and we didn't know row number, column number, but we find it out by the help of match function and the index function, and we solved this problem. So we'll see example 3 in the next video.